everyone, and welcome to our revamped Tips and Tricks Thursday. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about how to save files to your computer. So a lot of my students I've been asking them to sort of write Word documents or make PowerPoints or make videos and then upload those files to Canvas, which is our learning system that we're using this year during virtual learning. So I know a couple students are having trouble with that, so I decided, well, why don't I just go ahead and make a video. So my students have the Microsoft Office suite because they're a student in our county. So if you are also a student that has the Microsoft suite, then you also have access to all these tools. So as you can see, I am in Microsoft Word Online. I can click right here and it will open it up on my desktop here, maybe. So as you can see right here, it's opening up on my desktop. So you can either work online on a document, or you can work on your desktop app. Either works. I'm going to go ahead and work online for right now. So I'm going to close that and continue here. So here we are in a blank Word document online. As you can see, I'm in a browser. I'm in Google Chrome. So we're working on a story. So once upon a time. And so on and so forth. So we have our story, and as you can see up here, it's automatically saving. So if you're working online, your documents will automatically save, and you won't have to worry about going into File and clicking the Save As button or anything like that. So that's one really great thing about working online. Now let's say that your teacher wants you to take this online file and wants you to put it in a different place. So instead of emailing it to them by using the share option here, they want you to send it to them through Canvas or so on and so forth. Then we have to save it in a different way. So we want to go over to File, we want to click Save As, and we want to save a copy, download a copy to our computer. Okay, so we're going to click Download a Copy. We're going to download a copy, and as you can see down here, it's downloaded this copy. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and you can see here that it opened it up in our desktop app. So I'm going to enable editing here, and now we want to make sure we save it to a place where we can find it. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Save As, and I want to make sure, so right now it's in my Downloads folder. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop, because if I save it to my desktop, it's going to be a lot easier to find. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to title it Princess Story. Okay, now I'm going to hit save. If I minimize my screens and go to my desktop here, you'll see right here on my desktop, Princess Story. So I saved it someplace where I can find it easily. So now I want to go ahead and upload this document into Canvas. So let's go ahead and go to Canvas, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so here we are in an assignment that our teacher has created for us. And the first thing, of course, we're going to do is we're going to click this button here that says Submit Assignment. And then down here, it shows us this box. So we are uploading a file. We're uploading our princess story here. So we're going to come down here to the box that says Choose File. We're going to click it. And this is going to open up a window that's going to show us all of the folders on our computer. Now if we scroll up, we know for a fact that we saved our princess story on the desktop. So we want to click there, and then we want to find our princess story. And here it is. Okay, so we're going to click that, click Open, and then you'll see that it's popped up right here next to Choose File. And if you want to make any comments, you can. If you need to add another file, let's say that there were 2 little stories that your teacher wanted you to upload, then you can do that as well just by clicking Add Another File. And then you do the same thing. You click Choose File, and then let's say teacher wanted to add a picture, so I'm going to open that up. And now I have the princess story and the picture. And then you write any comments if you have to, and then you hit the Submit Assignment button, and then you should be good to go. Okay? So that is how you take a online assignment or an online document, save it to your computer, and then upload the file from your computer into Canvas. Okay? So if you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments, and I will see you guys next week. Or actually, no, I'll see you tomorrow for First Chapter Friday. So, see you then. Bye.